This knife handle costs $500. And it starts as something most people throw away. Every luxury camel bone knife handle in the world starts here, at a certified halal slaughterhouse.
A process that takes 94 days, inside a facility that very few cameras have ever been allowed to enter.
340 wild Bactrian camel bones processed every week in this facility alone. Not all of them will make it to a $500 handle.
Camel femur bone wall thickness, 18 millimeters, 3 times denser than standard cattle bone. That density is the entire reason this handle costs $500.
Only 67% of incoming camel bones pass this first check. The other 33% never become handles. The camel bones boil at 95 degrees for 6 full hours. Every trace of fat, marrow, and connective tissue must be completely gone before anything else can happen.
If even 1% of fat remains trapped in the camel bone's porous structure, the finished handle will crack and discolor within months.
6 hours. Same camel bone, completely different material. Every molecule of soft tissue is dissolved and gone.
The drain opens, and what comes up doesn't look anything like what went in.
Hydrogen peroxide, the same chemistry used in hospital sterilization, is now working into every pore of the camel bone.
24 hours in solution, and the camel bone has gone from yellow-gray to pure ivory. But residual chemical inside the bone would make the finished handle brittle. Every trace must go. At 80 psi, every trace of bleaching chemical is flushed from the camel bone's porous structure. One missed spot means a handle rejection weeks later. 48 hours at 70 degrees. The goal is not to cook the camel bone, it's to drive out every remaining water molecule from a structure that is 30% porous.
After 48 hours in the oven, the camel bone has 20...
Under the light table, the camel bone's internal grain pattern is as unique as a fingerprint. This worker's job is to find the best sections. The first cut through camel bone is the most critical. Too much pressure, and the bone shatters.
Got a hairline fracture right here. All right, toss that one. This one looks good for tray 3.
The CNC runs the same handle profile program 200 times a day. But because every camel bone grain pattern is different, 127 millimeters. Any deviation beyond half a millimeter means rejection. On a $500 camel bone knife handle, there is no such thing as close enough. At 1800 RPM on a ceramic abrasive belt, the camel bone transitions from a flat machined blank to a shape designed for the human hand. Most factories stop at 240 grit. The ones producing $500 camel bone knife handles don't stop until 2000.
No 2 camel bone knife handles on Earth share the same grain pattern. What you are looking at exists only once, in this exact configuration, on this exact handle.
At 2000 grit wet sanding Krauth, you are no longer removing material. You're aligning the surface structure at a molecular level.
The buffing wheel adds nothing to the camel bone. It removes the last invisible layer of surface irregularities and reveals a finish that was always there. Pure bone oil, the same treatment used on piano keys for over a century. It does what no machine in this facility can. It gives the camel...
The blade and the camel bone, forged steel and compressed animal bone, are about to be joined permanently. The fit has to be correct on the first attempt.
3 solid brass pins, hand set. The camel bone handle and the blade are now one piece, and will remain that way for the rest of their useful life.
94 days ago, this was a raw camel femur bone. Right now, it is a tool that will outlive everyone in this building.
23 individual checkpoints. Fail any single one way, the camel bone knife handle goes back. No exceptions, no shortcuts, not on a $500 product. 340 newtons of lateral force, and the camel bone handle does not move. A strong human grip generates roughly 400 emissions. Every camel bone knife handle that leaves this facility has a permanent serial number and a grain documentation certificate.
The walnut box took 3 weeks to source, because a $500 camel bone knife handle deserves packaging that matches what's inside it.
London, New York, Dubai. The journey from raw camel bone to a luxury kitchen boutique takes...
In this warehouse right now, over 4,000 completed camel bone knife handles are waiting to ship.
Every year, over 200,000 camel bone knife handles leave facilities like this one. And almost nobody who buys one has any idea.
And this is how modern factories turn raw camel bones into $500 luxury knife handles tans, from start to finish.